Hello, and welcome back to another lecture. In this lecture, we will create an Azure storage account. An Azure storage account will be equivalent to when you create an S3 bucket in AWS. In this project, we will use the Azure storage account to store the web files for our project. To create an Azure storage account, in the search box, type storage accounts. Then select storage accounts under services. Click create storage account. And the first thing we will make sure here is that your Azure subscription is selected and your resource group. Next, we are going to give the storage account a name. And remember, the name has to be unique. It has to be lowercase and you can't have hyphen. So I'm just going to type a one word AOS Note project web files. You can use the same logic, call it your name, project web files. Once we have entered the name, for the region, I'm going to create it in East US. For the primary service, we are going to leave it as default. And for the performance, we are going to leave it on standard. Under redundancy, select this drop down and select the first option, which is the locally redundant storage. Then click next. On this page, we will leave all the settings as default. Click next. On this page, we will also leave the settings as default. Click next. On this page, we will also leave the settings as default. Click next. And here we'll do the same. Click next. Here we are going to add a name tag. So here I'm going to enter name. And for the value, I'm going to call it AOS Note project web files, which is the same name I gave the storage account. Then I'm going to click review and create. Here you can review the settings, scroll down and click create. We will give it some time to create the storage account. We have successfully created the storage account. Next, we will click Go to Resource. And here, you'll see the storage account. This is all we need to do to create a storage account. And in the next lecture, we will create a container in this storage account. If you have any questions or there's any part you don't understand, please leave your comments below. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next lecture. Bye.